Hit it. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Truck Creation Designs. So today, I'm coming to y'all with the first part of me creating what I'm going to be bringing you all. I have to do this in two different parts because I really don't want the video to be really long, because that second part of the video of me making these earrings for y'all is going to be long. So today we're going to just focus on some long nose fish hooks, okay? Long nose wire fish hooks. And you're going to need these fish hooks for the second part of the video that I am going to be bringing you. So anyway, let me get this together. So you're going to need some 20 gauge wire. And you can make your 20 gauge wire, you can cut it. These are two pieces this is some scrap wire that I'm using. You want to sand down your ends with some sandpaper. So you want to sand your ends down really good, because these are going to be long nose fish hooks, okay? And I'm going to make two pairs so y'all can actually see. All right, so you're going to need two pieces of 20 gauge wire. You're going to need your round nose pliers. I don't know if I'm going to be using these or not. These are round nose pliers as well. Wait a minute. I'm sorry, y'all. These are flat nose pliers. These are round nose pliers. These are wire cutters. And you're going to need yourself a dowel. You need a dowel. This dowel is about a half of an inch thick. You can purchase this from Walmart. Okay. And let's go ahead and get it started. So the very first thing you want to do for these long nose fish hooks is, like I said, you want to file it down with some sandpaper. And you want to come down about, I'm going to say maybe about an inch. Maybe about an inch. So you want to place your wire over like this. And then you're just going to make your shape as if you are making a fish hook. Okay, just gonna bend it like that, kind of sort of like you get ready to make a circle, but not. You're gonna take it off, and that's going to be this is what you're gonna have right here. Now you're gonna come here and you're going to snip just like that. Okay, this is going to be the front of your nose, and this is going to be pretty much the back. Let me show y'all. So you're just going to take and come here, and you're going to just give it a little pinch, just like that. Okay, that's what you're going to do for both of your pieces. All right, and that's the part that is going to be going down inside of your ear. Okay, now you're going to take your round nose pliers and you're going to come back here, and you're just going to make a loop, because this is going to be the part that is going to be connected onto your bead. Okay, so this is what I call a long nose fish hook. And this part, you can make it as big or as small as you see fit. But these are my long nose fish hooks. And I know you probably don't understand why I am creating these right now before the actual video, but you're going to need something like this, and I will explain it in the next video. Okay, it's going to be a how to make video. We're going to be making another beautiful pair of African print fabric earrings, but this part I needed to do this part first. So these are my long nose fish hooks. So with that being said, let's make another pair. And this time I'm going to not make it as long. So I have already taken the liberty, of course, to sand down my my wire. So I'm going to bring it over like this. Now this time I'm not going to make them too long like the other ones. Okay, they much shorter. The thing that I do love about this is that you can make these in a variety of many different sizes. Okay. And you can also use any type of wire that you have to create these. You can use any type of wire you have. Go here and do that. And then this part, you just make your loop. Long nose fish hooks. And you can pull them in. Okay, like that. But these are the ones that I'm going to be using. I'm not going to use these. I'm going to be using these for tomorrow or whenever I upload that video. But I just wanted to show y'all how to create these. Did I have a? Nope. Ain't that. Yeah, you can make these in so many different sizes. And there you have it. So I have them in 2 different sizes. But like I said, this is the size that I'm going to be using tomorrow for those earrings. You can make them smaller than this, but I call them long nose fish hooks. Okay, just make sure you sand them down, and you can use any kind of wire to create them. So with that being said, please do me a favor, thumbs up this video and share this content out. And until my next one, peace and blessings. Happy crafting, everyone. See ya.